Okay, this is our 2005 GMC, and I ordered a new Z71 sticker. This is American flag. You can see the stars, stripes, and so forth, off-road. And this sticker right here is like 2 3/4 inches tall, 2 3/4 inches tall by 12 inches. And this is supposed to be the original sticker for the 2005 GMC. Okay, so this is where it's supposed to go, and just have to take a Sharpie, clean it, and probably water it down a little bit, get it just right. We'll see how that works. I got to mark it so I know, measure it from this crease right here, get that up to right across here, and got to get an equal distance between this side right here and this side over here. So it shouldn't take a second to mark that. Make sure I got it right. Okay, I made these red lines right here. This is this will make it level, and it'll be about 3 inches from this corner right here up across here, and this is where it would begin, the end of it right here at 4 inches from the end, and it should be in line right here going across pretty much. So that's kind of where you want it. So I've already cleaned that with Windex, and I've got my ruler there. Okay, now I just put this on. Okay, I just put the end of the paper right here, kind of even with the red marks across here, and the starting mark is right here, and so that's the way it looks right there. Then I took my phone, it's got a rubber cover over it, soft rubber cover on my cell phone here, and I just smoothed it across about 4 or 5 times one way, and then 4 or 5 times the other way, and then up 2 or 3 times, and then down 2 or 3 times, kind of back and forth, so that it really makes sure there's no air bubbles or anything like that. So now and carefully pull this off and see how she looks. Now these red marks are from my pen right here. I'll get that off. And you want to pull it off kind of slowly. Okay. I like the new look of the American flag, and that's the way she looks. Let's see. Well, we don't need this part on there. See, it says 2001 to 2006 Chevrolet Z71. Don't need. I don't know why they put that on there, but okay, that looks pretty good to me. It cost me with everything, shipping and handling, $20 for a pair of these. $20, and I wasn't sure whether it was going to be big enough, but it's big enough. It's really what I wanted. And let's look at that. Okay, it's really like 2 3/4 inches on the height, and the length of it right here is right at 11 inches. Let's see, 11 1/4 inches on the length right here. So I like that. It looks better than the old one, you know. So I do like that. And see, it's even right here. It's kind of where you have to put it on this model. Okay guys, for 20 bucks you can get 2 of these stickers, which is made for the 2001 to 2006 GMC, I believe, and that's pretty reasonable and real easy to put on. So this is the old tattered type flag design here, and so that's why it's the color that it is. I like that. It goes good with the tail lights and all that, and the different colors too, and the tires and mud flaps and all that. So 20 bucks, you can't beat it. Hope this helps you. If you want something like this, take off your old decal and put on a new decal. Thanks for watching. Gary J.